Configure maintenance activities and manage manufacturer records. Asset maintenance management begins in the Masters module to centralize operational standards and vendor data. Asset maintenance type defines the specific categories of service work performed throughout an asset's lifespan. The activity name creates a distinct label for identifying specialized maintenance tasks within the system. Sensor recalibration ensures that monitoring equipment maintains accuracy for critical data collection and reporting. Activity code provides a unique system identifier for tracking this specific maintenance type across all assets. Status determines whether this maintenance activity is currently available for scheduling and execution. Remarks allow for detailed internal documentation regarding the specific requirements of the sensor recalibration process. Successful submission updates the master list and enables the new activity for immediate operational use. Reviewing the activity list ensures all maintenance types are correctly categorized and active within the system. Existing records can be modified to update procedural notes or adjust status as operational needs evolve. Appending specific details to the remarks section provides clarity for technicians during the maintenance workflow. Real-time updates ensure the asset management team has access to the most current maintenance standards. The manufacturers section centralizes essential contact and support information for every hardware and equipment provider. Adding a new manufacturer streamlines procurement and technical support by maintaining a unified vendor directory. The name field establishes the primary identity of the manufacturer for easy searching and categorization. Company URL and support URL provide direct digital links to manufacturer resources and technical documentation. Contact number ensures immediate access to vendor representatives for urgent service requests or parts ordering. Status indicates if the manufacturer is an approved partner for current asset acquisitions and maintenance. Support email enables formal communication for warranty claims and detailed technical inquiries regarding specific assets. Saving the record populates the global manufacturer list with validated contact and support credentials. Centralizing these details streamlines maintenance workflows and ensures consistent vendor communication across the entire organization. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.